How to replace multiple substrings of a string? I would like to use the replace function to replace multiple strings. I currently have, but would like to have something like. Although that does not feel like good syntax. What is the proper way to do this?
Kind of like how in grep/regex you can do \1 and \2 to replace fields to certain search strings.
Here is a short example that should do the trick with regular expressions. For example,
you could just make a nice little looping function, where text is the complete string and dic is a dictionary. Each definition is a string that will replace a match to the term. Note, in Python 3, iteritems has been replaced with items. Careful, Python dictionaries don't have a reliable order for iteration. This solution only solves your problem if order of replacements is irrelevant. It's okay for a replacement to change the results of previous replacements. Update. The above statement related to ordering of insertion does not apply to Python versions greater than or equal to 3.6, as standard dics were changed to use insertion ordering for iteration. For instance, possible output number 1, possible output number 2. One possible fix is to use an order edict. Output. Careful number 2, inefficient if your text string is too big or there are many pairs in the dictionary.
Why not one solution like this?
Here is a variant of the first solution using reduce, import from functools, in case you like being functional. Smile. Martineau's even better version.
this is just a more concise recap of FJ and Minicourt great answers and last but decisive improvement by Gust. All you need to achieve multiple simultaneous string replacements is the following function. Usage. If you wish, you can make your own dedicated replacement function starting from the simpler one.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.